Hi there, and welcome back to 11 Plus Confidence, and we are on to page 20. Page 20 of the CGP 11 Plus Maths book for age 9 to 10. Here we are on data tables. Now, a little secret, or at least an observation, I think the next few pages are easier than a lot of the stuff they've already done here. So, a lot of the hard work's already been done. And now we come to these pages, which most children don't find so much of a challenge. But let's look at them anyway, but I just want to let you know that. The table shows the scores of 5 children in a spelling test. The test was out of 50. Who got the highest mark? That's pretty obvious. Find out the difference in the scores between Nina and Paula. So we just subtract one from the other. Who scored exactly 20 less than Kate? Well, Kate got 39, so who scored 19 is what it's asking, so that'd be Paula. How many marks did George lose? Well, George got 37, so if it was out of 50, he lost 13 marks, right? So that's all pretty straightforward. Timetables. Children may not be used to reading tables like for trains and so on. Which train takes the longest time? So what I would suggest, because we got several questions about this chart, it's worth doing a little bit of work on it. So 9 o'clock to 11:15 is 2 hours 15. 10:30 till 12, figure it out, it's an hour and a half. 12 o'clock till 2:45, that's 2 hours 45 minutes. 4:30, I beg your pardon, 14:30 till 4:15. How much is that? So that's 1 3/4, 1 hour 45, I think. Let me just double check that. So that's 30 minutes till 3 o'clock, an hour and a half to 4 o'clock. Yeah, 1 hour 45. Which takes the longest? So once you've done that, that's easy to see. It's train C. Which train takes the shortest time? So that's going to be B. Robert has to be in Banbridge by 12:15. What is the latest train he could catch from Appleford? So, he's got to be there by 12:15. So if he catches this A or B, he'll be there by 12:15 because he'll arrive at 12 o'clock with that one. If he uses this one, he'll arrive too late, 2:45 in the afternoon. So what's the latest one he can arrive? It will be train B. It is the latest one that he can take. The table shows the finishing times of 6 children in the 50-metre sprint at Sports Day. So we got their times. There may be, as we had before, some confusion thinking that, let's say, Rajit has got the highest number. Well, they did best. Well, obviously, no. The one who's got the smallest number did it quickest. So you need to just be on the ball with that one. Who came third place? Well, which of those numbers is third? So let's see. That's first. That's second. Alan's third, right? Yeah, so Alan will be third. This table, okay, this one does bear a little bit of looking at. I know from experience. Can cause a little confusion. We got these statements, and we got to say which one is true. So 18 archers scored more than 15 points. Okay, is that true? Well, which frequency numbers do we include? What's more than 15 points? Is this row more than 15 points? No, it's up to 15, but more than 15 means 16 and above. So these two numbers add up to 18. 18 archers scored more than 15 points is your answer. And finally, yep, we got a little chart here. Ordering some cakes. Only part of this chart is filled in. So there are some bits of it that we can't fill this number in yet. And we can't fill this number in. We don't know how many fruit cakes they ordered. So there's only one box we can fill in reliably. That's this one. 1 Victoria sponge at £1.50. That's going to be a total of £1.50. Now that means we can fill this one in because we got 2 numbers and a total and a missing third number. So if we subtract these from this, we get £6. And now we can fill this one in, because that means if that total is 6, it means they must have ordered 2 fruitcakes. So that was data tables. And as you can see, not too much new or difficult work there. It's just basically, it's a topic, so they've got to cover it, but it's not a particularly challenging one. I would hope anyway. I don't think most children are going to find that too difficult. It's just a case of reading it accurately from the chart from the page. So I will see you tomorrow with page 21, displaying data.